Welcome to our channel. Today, we're sharing simple and creative home decor ideas specifically designed for small spaces. If you're looking to make your compact home stylish, functional, and cozy, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. 1. Multifunctional furniture. In small spaces, every piece of furniture counts. Choose multifunctional pieces, like a sofa bed or an ottoman with storage. These help maximize your space without sacrificing style. A foldable dining table, for example, can be expanded when needed and tucked away when not in use. 2. Use vertical space. When floor space is limited, go vertical. Shelving units, wall-mounted hooks, or even hanging plants can help free up the ground while adding a decorative touch. Floating shelves can display books, plants, and decorative items, keeping things organized and visually appealing. 3. Light and bright color schemes. Opt for light, neutral colors to create an open, airy feel. Shades like whites, pastels, and soft grays can make a small room feel much bigger than it actually is. You can add pops of color through accessories like throw pillows, rugs, or artwork to give the space personality without overwhelming it. 4. Mirrors to reflect light. Mirrors are a fantastic trick to visually enlarge a small space. Placing a mirror opposite a window reflects natural light, making your room feel more open and brighter. Try using a large wall mirror or a gallery of smaller ones to create depth and interest. 5. Declutter and organize. Clutter can make any small space feel cramped and overwhelming. Keep surfaces clean and organized by using storage baskets, bins, or drawer organizers. Minimalism is key in smaller homes, so try to keep only what you really need and love. 6. Space-saving storage solutions. Storage is essential in small spaces. Consider underbed storage or built-in shelves to use every inch of available space efficiently. Storage cubes, hanging organizers, or even stylish baskets can help keep your essentials organized while adding to the decor. 7. Layered lighting. Lighting can transform a small room. Incorporate layered lighting, such as overhead lights, table lamps, and wall sconces to create a cozy atmosphere. Avoid bulky floor lamps and opt for sleek, space-saving designs. With a bit of creativity and smart design choices, you can turn your small space into a stylish, functional, and welcoming home. Whether you're downsizing or just want to make the most of your compact living space, these simple home decor ideas will help you achieve the look you want. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home decor inspiration. Thanks for watching.